Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can turn off notifications in Snapchat. First of all, we will check if Snapchat is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find Snapchat. If there's an update button, click it and wait for Snapchat to update. After that, open Snapchat. When Snapchat is opened, we will go to the Messages section. Here we can turn off notifications for an individual profile by keeping a touch on the profile we want. This will open the settings for a specific account. From this menu, we will select Chat Settings and turn off Message Notification by clicking the switch. If we want to turn off complete notifications or only specific ones, go to our profile picture. After that, we will select the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the next menu, a large number of options will open, of which we need the Notifications section. Here we can turn off specific groups of notifications by clicking on the switch on the right. That's all for this video. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.